Welcome to the new segment of the grade 7th. We are discussing geography, 4th chapter, that is air. We are discussing in this chapter the subtopic, that is a moisture. In a previous video we discussed some part of evaporation and condensation, precipitation, like in water cycle, the where evaporation will be happens, then naturally precipitation will happens more, and it is a cyclic manner. The cyclic manner, clouds they hold the water droplets and it will become down to the earth. I think you have seen the jet planes or jet planes which they will fly in the sky level. The behind of the jet planes, the rail, it will be present. Sometimes we can see in the morning, afternoon or the evening, the behind the jet planes rail, it will be present. So why it will be happens? Because the air content, it is a very less. The air in how the higher level it will be go, we are the going, the air, the movement, it will be not happens in the near above the atmospherical layers. Yes. So where the planes will be moved, in which sphere, that is we are having a 5 atmospherical layers, that is stratosphere. It will be helpful for to the planes move easily, and that condition is it is supporting for to the aeroplane, the moving of the aeroplane. So when we can see that rail behind of jet planes, the moisture from the engine condenses, and we can see that rain, because of the moisture, some of the time there is a no air, the movement disturb it. So what it will be present, so it is not disturbed by a air, so we can see a rail behind the jet planes. And precipitation that comes down to the earth in a liquid form, that is called as a rain. There are the most of the ground level from the rainwater, the ground level water, and so it is helpful for the grow of plants. So plants, they will absorb the water by the roots, and when the tree is on the hillside and sides of cuts, rainwater flows down, and the bare mountains can cause the flood in low areas. So there are 3 types of rainfalls we can see here in your textbook. 3 types of the rainfall. One is cyclonic rainfall, relief, and conventional rainfall. So these 3 types of the rainfall we can see here, and these are the commonly found in all over the India. So first one, the cyclonic rainfall. It will be happens the cold air when it will be move, and it will be uh, make a what moisture content, and the clouds will be creates cloud will be creates, and precipitation will be happens because of the warm air, that is a cyclonic rainfall. It will be in a coastal areas and eastern part of India. We can experience such a cyclonic rainfall. Second one, that is relief rainfall. The relief rainfall, where the high mountains are the present, hilly areas, because of the valleys, evaporations will be happens, the water vapor, and side hills because of the heat, the moisty air, and here the creates evaporation and precipitation. Third one, that is a conventional rainfall. The conventional rainfall, the where hot areas, the hot in hot areas, the moistures, the warm air, it will be creates the clouds, that is um, formation of the droplets in warmer areas, especially in the coastal lines. We can see that the conventional rainfall. So these are the three types of the convention. These are the three types of the rainfall. The rain, it is a very important to survive the all the creatures on the earth, and the especially fresh water, it is needed to the every human being. So it is present on the earth surface of the earth because of the only that is a rainfall. So sometimes the rainfall, it will be make a happy also, and it will be brings a sorrow also. The flood will be occurs because of the heavy rainfall, overflow of the rivers, and if suppose we are not getting a rainfall in a particular months of a seasonal wise, so drought will be happens, scarcity of the water it will be starts, and it will be the makes a people the happy when they will start growing crops. They are the busy with the irrigations as well as agriculture. Only that is a water resource, we are the getting a water from to the rainfall. So where a greenery it will present, where the water resources are present, will get automatically rainfall. So we have to be save our environment. That is a main important thing, that is growing of plants. So how many plants we are the growing? So those plants will be bring the rainfall automatically. Not only the plants, we have to save our environment also. For reference, you can refer a 7th grade textbook. Thank you.